Welcome to MacTag TV. I'm going to present you this beautiful Giovanni Couture that our model Nikki is wearing today just for you. The style number is 7052 and it's an amazing, beautiful dress for any occasion. It's a mermaid dress, but it's not too much of a mermaid. It falls A-line onto the bottom. It's going to be more of a muted dress. It has this beautiful, exotic sequence work that has a few different colors, and they play actually with the color very nicely. You have reds, purples, greens, this like light gray, and then you have this silver lining right here that has a beautiful play of beading and sequence together for the 7052 Giovanni Couture. Let's look at the back. So the back of this dress has the zipper on the center back. It's an invisible zipper, so it's going to be very chic, very elegant, and the sequence work continues all the way back. The dress does have a little train, so it's going to have this very dramatic look when you walk away. As you can see, the cups are great, so you don't really need to have any undergarments, but if you feel like wearing any undergarments on it, you can always contact us and we'll tell you which type to get. If you have any questions about how to accessorize this dress, what type of pearls, shoes, or earrings or jewelry you want to wear with that dress, you can always call us, email us, or go on www.mactagmart.com. Thank you.